It's not an easy way, it's a hard way. Females are more capable. Turkish products are very well known in the world right now.
Once again, we are currently at metal frame production. We came here basically because we want to know exactly how this metal frame are produced and then prepared before it's being used in the market. We all believe that a lot of things happen and we don't really pay attention to it.
Of course, my name is Murat DİBİ. I'm 50 years old and I'm designer, producer, wholesaler and retail shop owner of eyeglasses frames in Turkey since 1980. From my childhood, I'm doing this business.
First of all, before we go in, what is the name of this factory?
Venus Optic.
Okay, Venus Optic. What does that mean?
Yes, Venus Optic means, Venus means a planet name, Venus, you know, and optic means optical comes from optical frames.
Okay.
And we were established in 1980.
1980.
Yes, approximately 43 years we produce metal, optical and sunglasses frames here in Turkey in our own area.
And again, this is a platform where we allow people who are highly educated, entertaining, and willing to express themselves to share their ideas and knowledge to the wider world. We try to welcome them to inspire the younger generation.
We have to produce eyeglasses, we have to produce shoes, we have to produce televisions, everything we must produce.
I can see a lot of people working both male and female. Why do you choose to bring both male and female? Because we know that when it comes to gender equality, many people, especially people that are working, they prefer to employ male than female. Why do you decide to bring both male and female together in your company?
Yes, we care about male and female are equal and they have the rights to work equally. This is the first situation. The second situation is females are more capable and more better product producer for small work items like optical frames because of their hands are smaller than male and they can make better soldering, better application, better production
Than male?
Yes, than male.
Wow.
Because our work is not requesting force. Our work is requesting notice, attention, and very important carefully production.
Wow.
This is why we care about male and female between our workers and that's why we are working equally here.
Wow.
And we want to give an equal opportunity to them.
He gives opportunity to everybody to work in his company, and this is what is important. We should empower both male and female. When we talk about 50-50, we are talking about how to empower each other when it comes to work.
First step is starting from the beginning. Let's go to the first machine where we are beginning for the metal production.
All right, so guys, follow us along the way. This is a journey that we all need to admire. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing.
Yes.
Wow. Viewers, this is where they start everything.
Yes, this is a 3D machine, 3D CNC machine, which makes forming, rim wire forming. These special wires are coming from Germany and Italy.
Okay.
This is specially produced for optical frames and for sunglasses frames.
Okay.
This machine is getting the rim wire inside and by means of the mold and CNC forming, it is making here the forming. Let me show you.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
This is formed here according to the request, according to our production style. We are writing here what is done, how many quantities, what is the color, which parts will be applied. Everything is written here on the production cards.
All right. You told us that this metal is coming from Germany.
Yes.
Why do you choose to order this from German instead of creating it here in your country?
Yes, this is a special wire. There is an inside a channel here, and only 3 factory in the world is producing this. This is a special production, and all over the world, even Americans, even Italians, even Chinese are buying this wire from 3 companies in the world. That's why we are trusting them. They are doing their work. Their only work is to produce this rim wire.
Wow.
Yes, this is a special metal, especially produced for frame production. So there is an inside a chemical and physical composition compound.
Okay.
And this compound makes the frame better resistant, better coating, better painting.
Wow.
Yes, this is why this is a special wire which we must buy from those 3 companies.
Wow.
And here it's getting the straight wire and straighting better. Then here it's forming the model and cutting.
Okay.
After it's cut, it
goes down.
It goes down, and after a while we are getting all of them, and we are taking them to the second step.
Wow.
Yes.
So where is the next step? And tell us the name of this machine, please.
This is a 3D rim wire forming machine.
Okay.
Yes, this is CNC based.
Who created this one? Are you the one who actually created
Italians created and produced this machine. This is also specially designed only for metal frame production producers.
Wonderful.
The second step after rim wire forming, the second step is closing them with a tube.
Wow.
This tube makes us to open it and close it. To put the optical lens or to put the sunglasses lens into the frame. Here you see the tubes. Tubes are coming in row here, and the worker is soldering it.
Okay. And what are these tubes and where do they come from?
These tubes are come from Italy.
They are all coming from Italy.
Yes, these are come from Italy, but we choose the material, we choose the size, we give them our own model. They are producing for us and sending to us.
Okay.
What you are going to see here is always special designs, always special productions. That's why we are doing our work and they are doing their work.
Okay.
A tube producer is producing for metal, CNC is producing for metal, or other parts, temples or bridges are produced especially for us. This rim wire solder is produced by silver.
Okay.
It's a special compound, and when we are putting it here, this is borax. Borax is applied to the soldering area to make a better, much more better soldering, which is tough and powerful.
Wow, amazing.
Yes.
Amazing. Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Aleykümselam.
Tell us a little bit about your work.
İşinizle ilgili bir şey söyler misiniz diyor.
İşimi şu anda severek yapıyorum. Memnunum işimden. Çok pratik çalışıyoruz. Bir makinedeyiz. Daha
Amazing, right? Do you know?
She's shy.
Okay, that's okay. She's shy, so it's good. You know, not everybody is fit for the camera.
She told that she is working on this machine for the daytime,
Wow.
and she is doing his work.
Why isn't that the workers are not using the glasses while they are working?
Because this is not a dustable or scratch work. They have to be very concentrated on the soldering area. But some places are wearing protective glasses, but this area is not permitting to work with protective glasses.
Glasses, okay.
Yes,
fine.
that's why with a bare glass they have to work. All over the world around, especially in Italy, the area, the square meter is same, the working style is same.
All the same, right?
Yes.
All right. I hope you get that information clearly. We will continue we'll proceed to the next steps.
Okay. This is the another part of the second step. She is doing the same work. soldering tubes to the rim wire. This machine is this is called high frequency welding machine. This high frequency welding machine allows us
Yeah.
to produce the soldering without touching. We are just making closer the parts,
Yeah.
and this is allowing us to make
The small ones,
yes,
right?
Yes, here there's a copper wire here. Inside of this copper wire, there is a cold water circulating. Always circulating a cold water here.
Okay.
Because this is producing 600 degrees temperature, and when you make 600 temperature, we have to make it cold.
Wow.
Yes, always there's a cold water circulating here, and this machine is allowing us to make a high temperature.
Okay.
Let me show you a small example here. Just a moment, please.
No problem. Okay.
It's not touching each other.
Yeah.
They are very close to each other. You see?
Yeah.
This is a high technology soldering machine.
Machine.
Yes.
So that means a day he has already produced almost all of this. You can see it properly. You know, the work starts from here, and I think the work of this machine actually it does this.
Yes.
It does this, if I'm right.
Yes.
So this is what it does to click it to join them together. So actually most of these materials doesn't come from Turkey here, but either in Germany or Italy. So these are where they get their materials, you know, to do the work. We believe that if we learn how to do things by ourselves, you know, it's more easier. So in the world, they are the best, so we keep moving.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's continue to the third step.
Okay.
We have produced left eye and right eye here,
Yeah.
and left eye and right eye is combining here.
Okay.
The worker here is putting the left and right eyes and applying a bridge soldering onto them and making this.
Making them to join, right?
Yes, the eyeglasses is becoming to be forming.
Wow.
The same machine, a high frequency soldering machine, and the worker should be very careful because of the shape must be very straight, and we are producing thousands of frames,
Yeah.
and the first one and the 10,000 one should be exactly same.
Wow.
It should be exactly same. This is quality control. That's why we are always checking our products by special tools.
Yeah.
In the daytime, we are checking our products. We are looking if they are straight, and we are checking if they have the same positioning, same sizes with the rulers.
Yeah.
We are controlling them. After that, we continue production.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Here, in this station, we have soldered the bridge, and the rim eyeglasses is becoming to appear.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
I can see it. You can see the shape right from here. So, distinguished audience and listeners out there, coming to the where they produce to the manufacturers, it's always important because you're gonna have first-hand information, and having first-hand information is gonna help you what to do and what not to do. For example, a lot of us love to wear glasses, but we don't know where these glasses are made out of. You should know the type of glasses you are also wearing, whether you have this information from the doctor. If you want to use it for fashion or whatsoever, you should always learn to ask the right questions. So we're gonna move to the fourth steps.
Yes. Fourth step is
Yeah.
here. This is pad arm soldering station. These two workers are soldering pad arms. What is pad arm?
Okay.
Pad arm is the two tools here,
Yeah.
which is capable and having us to put the lens onto our nose.
Yeah.
There's a plastic here. This plastic this plastic is screwed
Yeah.
to these tools.
Okay.
This is called pad arm.
Pedam.
Pad arm is soldered here with the same situation, same position and same technology.
So from right there, it has to pass through here, right?
Yes.
Okay.
We are passing here, and after that, we are. Let's continue here. After that, we are, and here we are combining them together. After here, when we cut them, there's a machine to cut it here.
Okay.
When we cut them from the tube,
Yeah.
here from the
Okay.
tube, then these products will continue to the
can see it, right?
temple.
So like here, it can open so that it can have a little big stick that will go straight to your ear.
Yes.
So you can see it. Okay.
Here, let's continue. Here, before continuing, I want to show you
Yeah.
what we are doing. Here, let me tell you here. The only quality control is by hand, by yourself.
Okay.
When we put it here, look what I am.
Look at it here.
This is the quality control of the soldering. This is a
Wow.
perfect quality. It does not scratch, it does not broken. This is because of 43 years experience.
Experience.
Yes.
So how did this happen?
This happened by years. By years. We have experienced what is better, which soldering product is better, which soldering material is better. We have chosen our parts from the experienced companies. Especially Italians are very experienced for this area because for over 100 years they are producing frames. And we have asked them, we have learned what to do, how to do, and we have improved our own techniques, Turkish techniques.
Alhamdulillah.
And by means of our experience, we have developed ourselves.
Wow.
Turkish products are very well known in the world right now, and they are choosing us just because of, firstly, made in Turkey. Secondly, Turkish products are good quality.
Good quality.
Yes.
Make in Turkey and quality. So these are two things that they have. And now, last time you told me that the whole world now depending on Turkey when it comes to glasses, eyeglasses making. So I know it took you a lot of years, but what were your greatest fear when you started this journey?
How did we start, you are asking, right? Actually, my father and uncle is a mold manufacturer, was mold manufacturer, and they were producing in the CNC based or classical based machinery metal parts. And some relatives of them came to them and they asked if they would be able to produce these eyeglasses. And they went to Italy, they have learned how to do. After that, they decided to start a factory. They invited Italians here to establish the factory, and my father and uncle are good technicians, are good masters for metal and mold producers. Now they are retired. We are continuing by means of their experience and putting on them.
That's amazing. Finally, we can proceed from where we stopped.
Okay.
I hope you are enjoying this journey with us, and of course, learning along with us too. So you can see.
Yes, next station here, as you remember, we had cut the tubes,
Of course,
to
in between.
open and close
Yeah.
the lenses, and now these temples are being screwed, and it's becoming like this.
Wow.
This is steel, iron steel. This is a special product which is capable for coating, coloring, because it's very important when we color and paint a frame, it shouldn't be removed in 1 year.
Okay.
When it scratches, the consumer will not be satisfied. That's
That's
why
right.
we have to use good quality materials, and we have to use good quality paints,
Wow.
which is coming from Switzerland.
So you can look at this woman, how she's doing it. Looking at
sen devam
her,
et.
she's doing her work professionally, and of course, she's doing good. We really appreciate whatever she's doing here. Let us know what is she doing right now.
Yes, she is screwing temple to the front frame.
From friend, huh?
Yes, front
Okay.
frame. Also the screws are steel. Temple is steel. So by means of screwing, we are making the frame
Yeah.
with a temple.
Wow, amazing. Amazing.
Yes.
Wow, I'm learning, to be honest, and this is why it's important we come out and learn and learn and learn. Please share this video. It's gonna help you. It's gonna save you. And from now on, let's keep moving. We're gonna learn more.
Sen tut istersen Hakan da şuraya göstersin. Yes. After here we are coming to the station.
Yeah.
Because we have finished soldering operations. Soldering operations may get some small scratches,
Yeah.
some small solder defaults. Here
Yeah.
we are cleaning all of the solder defects to allow
Yeah.
the frame
Yeah.
to keep the lenses very safely.
Wow.
Here.
Wow. Wow.
Here, this area, this inside channel is cleaned.
It's clean with that machine.
Yes, it's cleaned with that machine here.
And it's smooth also.
Very smooth.
Yeah.
Devam edelim.
It's smooth. I can feel it. Wow. Wow.
Every piece of frame is done like this. We are checking every piece of frame. Okay.
Thank you so much. We keep going.
After cleaning the frame, this is already
Yeah.
semi-finished frame.
Wow.
And semi-finished frame is ready for polishing. Let's go to the polishing station.
Wow. So let's go there and then see how things are working. To be honest, learning is part of us, and then we must continue learning.
Before polishing, I want to explain the cleaning area.
Yeah.
The cleaning area, you know, according to our religion, to be clean is very important, right? And this is valid also for our production.
Of course.
You have seen many stations for
course.
soldering. Every part of them should be cleaned very well before soldering.
Wow.
Yes, every worker is getting their parts and bringing to here to clean them.
Of course.
Let's see how it will happen.
Cleaning, yeah.
This is ultrasonic cleaning machine.
And why is it hot?
Yes, let me explain you.
Yeah.
Ultrasonic cleaning machine is requesting three important things. First is hot water, around 80 degrees. Second, a special detergent, which is produced for metal production cleaning.
Wow.
It's not getting many soaps, no bubbles.
Yeah.
The third important thing, it should vibrate.
Wow.
Vibration is this.
Wow.
Look.
Okay.
I have closed it right now. Let me show you
Okay.
what's happening.
All right.
This is a very
You know, right now, looking at this one, you come to realize that they are not even clean.
it's not clean.
It's not clean. It's dirty a bit, and then it's a little bit dark.
Very
now
dirty.
we're gonna see if they put it here whether it's gonna be clean or not. Let's watch it together.
Okay.
Wow. So
Let's open the machine. Actually, it's vibrating.
yeah.
It's vibrating by means of vibration, hot water and detergent. It is cleaning all of the small particles.
Inside it. And how long does it take?
Approximately 30 seconds to 60 seconds, according to the compound and combination.
Okay.
Let's check what happens.
Let's check. Finally, let's check what happened. Wow, look at it now.
You see?
Fresh, clean. Wow. Wow. And it's not that hot like I was expecting.
Not that hot.
Now it's clean. To be honest, it's clean. Clean.
Yes.
How long does it take in the water when cleaning?
Approximately 30 seconds to 60 seconds, according to the compound and according to the more or less dust.
Okay. Wow, this is amazing, and I think
after here we are putting
going to put it here. Clean water.
Cleaning. Cleaning is everything.
So cleaning doesn't even stop at human being, but we always have to take care of our materials by cleaning them. That means water, soap, or whatsoever detergent you have, it's important in your house. So learn to clean yourself, learn to clean your product, learn to clean your watch, learn to clean your shoes, your clothes, everything. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So even with this metal, they are telling you that you need to be clean. So we need to move on.
Yes. Let's continue to the production.
Yes.
And let's continue
to the final destination.
Polishing.
Okay.
This is the most important place in our production. Every piece of frame is polished by hand.
Wow.
Yeah, this is very important because hand polishing is the perfect solution for a shiny and for a good coloring.
Wow.
Yes.
So we are here now, finally. This is the most important aspect. A little bit noisy, but we will do our best. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Merhaba, hoş geldin.
Alhamdulillah. Good to see you.
Gambiya'dan geldiler. Evet. Hoş geldin.
Thank you. I'm good. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, he's the master.
Okay.
In Turkish we call it usta.
Usta. Okay. The master is called usta in Turkish. So we can see this is the machine. It's like when you want to sharpen your knife. It's the same machine that I'm seeing. I don't know whether it's the same, but is it the same?
Actually, it's different.
Okay.
Of course, it's turning with a high power, but we have just a moment. Bir dakika duralım. Fırçayı gösterelim. Şunu da bir kaldırır mısın?
So the knife will be off.
Yes. Böyle gel abi.
Okay. Finally, you can see these are the machines that they use. It's important for you to know that this is how it all produced here.
Very powerful machine for polishing with the high speed.
Okay.
With the high speed, it's very important. Here we have special textiles. Here, it's turning, and we are using a compound, a special polishing compound. Here.
Yeah.
Special polishing compound we are applying here, and by means of this compound and textile with the high speed, this is not enough, of course. The most important point, the experience of the workers working here.
Okay.
They have to apply with a good power, with a good pressure. Devam edelim.
So let us know what is the name of that machine that is turning around?
Polishing motor.
Polishing. So what is the work of polishing motor?
Its work. Its work is its only duty is shining.
Shining. Okay.
Yes, shining the material because the products coming from the production is semi shiny. Now they are making very shiny place. Look, let's have a look.
Okay.
Sen göster abi. Before, nereyi parlatacaksın? Burunu mu? Ha, bak. Look, here.
Yeah.
It's not very shiny. There are defects of soldering. Now he's going to clean and make shiny.
Yeah.
Şunun yok şunu Kazım abi. Yok başka bir şey konuşuyoruz. Şunun şu ön tarafını bir parlat bana. Kancaların orayı. Look, he's putting pressure on shining. Kancaların ön tarafı. Every piece is polished by hand.
Wow.
Bak bir de şurayı bir daha parlat. Look. What's happening? You have seen there were defects.
Yeah.
Now there are no defects.
Wow.
Also, this machine can make polish every metal.
Yeah.
For example, I am seeing a ring on your finger.
Yeah.
Can you give it to me?
Of course. That's the ring. You can see.
Yüzünü parlatacağız.
So I'm taking off. The ring is from Gambia anyway. It's a Gambian cultural ring, but I will give it to you.
Let's have a close look.
Yeah.
It is a matte because it's not very shiny.
Yeah.
Do you want me to make it shiny?
Of course. Why not?
Bu Gambiyalıların taktığı bir yüzük şekliymiş. Şunu bir parlatır mısın? Look.
Wow.
Special compounds
Wow.
and creams are
Wow.
used for different materials.
Wow.
It's hot.
Look at it. Take a look at my ring.
Yes, it's hot.
today.
Be careful.
Nasıllarmış
Brand new.
O nereye yapmaz nasıl?
Wow. Look at it now.
Yes.
So it will be like this forever now.
Yes. Let's see what's happening to your
To the other one.
yes, to the other one.
Buraları açılıyor. Bakıyorsun işte.
Today I have a new ring.
Hafif yap.
Antik oldu.
Hafif yap. Hafif. Heh.
Look at it now.
Yes. Perfect, right?
It's more than perfect. It's more than perfect. I love it. Wow, this is amazing. I love it here.
Yes, the polishing process
Yeah.
makes the surface of the frame very shiny.
Well,
But it's not enough for us. We continue to polish them
Okay.
by means of this machine.
Okay.
This machine is our own production made in Turkey.
yeah.
And this is a special design for polishing very quickly tumbling.
Okay.
This is the preview.
Wow.
You will see what will happen
Yeah.
when it's done.
Let's see.
You will see what will happen when it's working very fast.
Why is it rotating? Back and forth.
You will understand.
Yeah.
Açalım bir tanesini.
Rotating back and forth.
Yes. You will understand what is inside in it.
Yeah.
Gel
Let's
şuraya.
see.
Let's see what's in it.
It's like a suitcase. What is this?
This is specially produced chest particles.
Can I talk to you?
Yes. There is a special cream inside of it, and we put
Yeah.
the already
It's like-
assembled.
it's like
Koy
a
bir tane
rubber.
abi, bir tane koy abi.
It's like a rubber, right?
Yes. You will see what's happening here. The worker is putting already assembled eyeglasses
Wow.
inside to it.
So it's gonna put all this in the machine
Yes,
to make it more clean and shining.
yes. And by means of fast turning,
Yeah.
after 2.5 hours, it will be perfect shiny every piece, every side of the frame.
Wow.
Now just we are making a preview, only one assembling.
Wow.
You will see how it's turning.
Wow. Audience out there, you should all come and buy your glasses. It will help you at work, at home, in the offices, wherever you are. This is gonna help you. So I got mine. You rush now and come and buy yours. If you need more information, please call me on my WhatsApp, and then I'm gonna link you directly to the man who is responsible for this factory, and the factory is recommended worldwide. So on that note, come and buy yours.
VM International.
So
Okay.
yes,
Let's start. Başlayalım. Now you yaklaşıver buraya.
it's turning now. I can see it.
It's turning now.
Turning back and forth, back and forth,
And-
back and forth. Turning back and forth.
Yes.
The wall is beautiful, huh?
Yes, 2.5 hours it will turn,
Yeah.
and after that it will be perfect shiny.
Wow.
This is the
result.
This is the result of shining of every piece.
Wow. Audience, you can see it. If you want to look good, look gentle, you know, beautiful, handsome, here it is now. Okay? With
Okay.
high quality. So thank you so much. We'll keep on going
Okay.
to the last destination now.
Yes, last destination is the coloring.
Coloring. Okay.
Yes.
Finally, we are going to the next steps. I thought that's the end, but Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
How are you?
This area is a coloring area. So this master is checking the last control of the frames.
Yeah.
Checking the last control. If there's a scratch or something defective,
Yeah.
then putting them onto the hooks, and here applying electrostatic high technology coloring.
Yeah.
Already assembled here.
Okay.
Now you
He's gonna put
can
them
see
in.
şöyle çaprazdan.
What is he checking?
He is waiting for the waterfall.
Yeah.
Waterfall is important for spraying. Here,
He's gonna spray everything.
yes.
What is the use of or the importance of spraying it?
Yes, we are applying now clear varnish, transparent.
Okay.
It is not colored. This is applied only for protective for human health, not to touch metal to the human skin.
Okay.
This is a protective varnish. Here it is varnished and it should be more clear. After applying here,
Yeah.
we are going to put it into the oven. Oven will cure it
Okay.
160 degree, 160 degree
Yeah.
half an hour.
Wow.
Here, bir açar mısın? Hakan gel böyle, gel. Now you can see,
They are coming to open.
you can see inside
Wow.
already put in oven, 160 degree, 30 minutes.
Wow. And it's very hot.
Yes, very hot.
Very hot.
Kapatın.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's,
So we keep going, huh?
yes. We can.
This is a long journey. I thought it's just one day walk, but it's not one day walk.
We have many areas to
Yeah.
explain, but some areas are not working right now because we are making gold coloring, we are making silver coloring in our galvanic treatment.
Yeah.
Today it's not working, but I'm going to show you what's happening there.
Okay. Let's keep going. We are learning. Wow.
Şöyle bir şey yapıver. Yes, this area is galvanic treatment. We are taking the glasses into the first step. This is also cleaning.
Okay.
This is cleaning the surface very well. After dipping and cleaning the chemicals here, we continue free nickel. Free nickel means the galvanic treatment will be more healthy for human being.
Yeah.
After here, we continue the silver.
Wow.
Silver coloring, silver coating.
Yeah.
Here,
She's bringing them for you.
Hakan yaklaşıver. When we apply the silver, homogeneously every part of the frame is colored by silver.
Wow.
This is a perfect coloring. It's not paint.
Yeah.
It is galvanic. Galvanic is the best healthy and best coloring procedure for our eyeglasses production.
Wow. Amazing.
Yes. After
Amazing.
here, if we can continue by cleaning the chemicals, here is the gunmetal coloring.
Wow.
Gunmetal coloring means dark gray coloring. Here
Wow.
you
this
can
is
see.
amazing. I love this one.
You
I
can
love the
see
color
gümüşü
too.
de verir misin?
I love the silver. I love
This
the
is
gold.
yes. This is silver. After that, we are applying gunmetal.
Gunmetal,
You
wow.
can see the difference.
I can see very well. And look
Okay.
at the other one too.
Other one is the most important point. This is pure gold coating.
Wow.
Pure gold. There is a pure gold inside of it, in the chemical.
Yeah.
When we apply it, it is colored with gold. 14 karat or 16 karat, we can arrange it.
Wow.
This is pure gold, not paint.
It's pure gold.
Yes, this is pure gold.
That means,
the coating is gold.
That means it must be expensive, right?
Yes, it's expensive.
Wow.
Because we are putting many golds here to establish this tank.
Wow. Amazing.
You
So
can
this
see.
pure gold and it can never be black again.
No.
It will
After
always
that,
remain like
after
this.
that, to be more protective, we are applying the clear varnish system, which you have seen right now by hand gun. Protective varnish, and this pure gold makes the frame resist maybe more than 5 years, 6 years, maybe 10
Wow,
years.
10 years. This is amazing.
Yes.
I'm just speechless after all seeing this, you know.
Yes.
I never knew.
After coatings,
Yeah.
we are putting the frames here, and we are checking them one by one. If there's a scratch, if there's a point, and it returns back, it's colored again.
Yeah.
So by means of quality control in every step, our last product is perfect.
Wow.
Here, for example, you can see already colored products here.
And they are ready.
Yes,
They are ready.
already finished products here.
Wow. I love them.
Thank you.
I love them so much. No wonder why if you go to the shop they will tell you have to buy this space by itself, because it have a lot of things that you need to do, like the
Yes,
work,
people
the
don't
time.
know. People
you
don't
understand?
know how
so
it's
a lot of
produced.
people, a lot of people do not know. It takes time to process this, and that is why when you go to the optics shop, they will tell you that you have to buy the frame separately, and then you can buy the glasses. So this is the result of the work. You can see there are a lot of people working here. It's not 1, it's not 2, it's not 10, it's not 15, it's not even 20.
Yes.
A lot of people are working here, and all these people, they are all playing different role to make sure that you are satisfied, to make sure that your eye is protected, to make sure that you get the best result of what you really want from your doctor or from yourself. Because sometimes a doctor might not even tell you wear this, but you may
Exactly.
wish to wear it like myself, because of the nature of my work. I'm trying to use it so that my eye can be protected from the sun, from the screen and whatsoever. So for now we have nothing to say but to thank you for sharing your experience with us, and we will continue from where we stopped, inshallah.
Let's continue to the finishing part
Okay.
and packaging.
So that's the end, right?
Yes. The colored frames are coming here, and we are starting to apply temple tips, pads, and lenses. Then every piece of them are bent here one by one, and controlled, and then it is ready to make packaging.
Wow.
Yes.
From here now it's going straight to the shop, right?
Not right, because we are producer. We are selling these products wholesale to the wholesalers.
Okay.
And wholesalers are selling to the retailers.
Okay. From retailers now it goes to the market.
Yes, these are the finished products. You can see these are already finished.
Wow.
And this will be last quality control check,
Wow.
and then will be packaged.
Wow. Amazing. You can see everything by yourself. Different color. We have gold.
Yes, everything is written here on the production card.
Okay.
Which color, which quantity, which part, everything is
It's
written on the
in there.
card.
Okay.
Yes,
That's awesome.
yes.
So that's the end, right?
Let's stop here. and go upwards.
Okay, we can stop here. Of course, we'll be right back.
VM International.
Finally, we are here, and he's gonna show us one or two things which is also important for you to know. So dear viewers out there, please share this video because it's gonna help you to learn a lot of things that you don't know when it comes to glasses, and it's important for each of you to have a glasses. Why? Because of the environment, nature, especially if you come from Africa. We all know that Africa is full of dust, is full of sun, is full of so many things. But along the way, if you have your glasses, of course, your eye can be protected. And that is one of the reasons why we came to the production manufacturing company, to make sure that we learn a lot from them. And of course, I have learned that it takes a lot of time for people to actually do this, because a lot of people are working collectively to make sure that you and I are satisfied when we are using our screen, when we are when we are in the sun, of course, when we are in the room or whatsoever we are doing. It's important for us to have it. So on that note, this is the last stop. Yes. Tell us, why are we here?
Yes, because we are producing eyeglasses, and eyeglasses, especially the optical ones, are included in the medical device regulation. All over the world, medical device regulation is important and has strict rules. One of the rules is, of course, it should be very good quality according to the standards, not lower than, but upper than the standards it should be. Another point is we have to apply a QR code system for each piece of frame. The QR code system is designed here and is controlled by Turkish Health Ministry. Turkish Health Ministry has established this system approximately 13 years ago, and this is the first system in the world. And every other countries has looked and checked us, and now they are copying and they are doing the same thing by means of Turkish Health Ministry.
Wow.
Thanks to them, and they have regulated a QR code system. What is QR code system? Every piece of frame should be holding a QR code here, like this.
Okay, this information.
Yes, this QR code belongs to this frame only, not the other frame.
Okay.
So the government is controlling every piece of frame, where is produced, where is sold to as wholesale, where is sold to as retail shop, and who is the consumer. They are controlling every piece of frame to be more healthy. If there is a problem on the frame, they are recalling back.
Okay, so now why are they controlling everything?
To control the quality, to control the health, human health, especially Turkish people. They are taking care about to make the people use more healthy and good products.
Okay.
This is important, because if you don't control something, they can change their way.
That's right.
Yes, especially this is a health medical device. Health is very important.
Yeah.
So the government decided to control not only eyeglasses, every medical device, such as tension machine or the health, the heart or ten thousands of products are controlled by health ministry by means of QR code system.
Okay, so are you trying to tell me that this health ministry also have overview, or they understood exactly the kind of work you're doing and they have better ideas of what you are doing?
Yes, they are looking what's happening, and they are regulating the best one, and they are directing us to the forward with better quality, with better service. They can see the problems on the area easily, and they can solve quickly. This is a success of government, especially health ministry.
Okay, so when it comes to your work, what are some of the difficulties or challenges that you face along with the government?
Actually, our government is really supporting us very effectively. So their aim is only to produce a good quality made in Turkey, and to to make advertisement of our products to the world. They are supporting especially eyeglasses market for a long time. By means of this support and by means of Turkish producers' effort, let me give you two sample. There were only 1 million pieces produced in 20s. Now more than 40 million.
It's produced all over the world now.
Yes, all over the world.
Wow, amazing.
Yes.
Amazing.
Let me tell you the QR code system, how it works.
All right.
When we make packaging and putting the QR code system here, we are. For example, I have sold this to a wholesaler. Let's say 10 pieces. 10 pieces QR code is scanned one by one, and this is an online system which is controlled by Turkish Health Ministry, and Health Ministry is now seeing that which product is sold to whom wholesaler, and they can see online what's happening. They can control the quality, they can control the quantity, they can control the tax, and they can control everything on the product.
All right.
Now it is informed to the Health Ministry.
Health Minister, that this is already produced and it is here.
Yes.
And now it will be going. So that means before these materials will even go to the market, the Health Minister is already aware.
Already aware of what's happening.
My dear people in Africa, I think this is important, and I think our government should also start controlling our medicines.
Excuse
last
me.
year,
This is the first and invented by Turkey. By means of Health Ministry. This is the first application in the world.
First application in the world.
Yes.
Wow.
Invented by Turkish.
You know, I want
ministry.
to tell you, I don't know what advice you're going to have for our Minister of Health. Last year, a medicine syrup was transported in the Gambia from India. And that medicine kills more than 66 babies at once. And eventually, the government and the people, especially the Ministry of Health, couldn't do anything.
Why?
I don't know.
They could stop it.
They couldn't stop it because after that people were still dying, but still the people, the victims are still shaking for justice, but everything is quiet. What is your advice to the Ministry of Health? Because it's important as human beings, we protect one another, since you are working for the interest of the people, for the well-being of the people. What's going to be your advice to the Ministry of Health in the Gambia, or to the Ministry of every nation around the world?
Actually, health is very important, and the most important thing in our world. So my advice would be to do the same thing made in Turkey. What is made in Turkey, let's say, before the product comes to the market, the Health Ministry is checking them one in the laboratory, and they are requesting many documentaries, many test laboratory results, and after they decide if it is a healthy product, they confirm and let the product into the market.
Wow.
This is the most important step. Of course, there may be some mistakes. Even if in the market there becomes some mistakes or dying people or complications. By means of this system, they can see what's happening, and they can recall the product back easily. And system is everything. They should put a system, but they should be very strict to apply them.
Okay.
Because money is nothing comparing to the health.
So imagine if 66 baby die out of syrup, for your own understanding.
I'm very sad for them. I'm very sad for them. I'm really unhappy right now. 66 babies
die.
Unfortunately, I cannot tell anything. I cannot tell because I'm very sad.
If this happened in Turkey, what will be the reaction of the people?
Many people will not let the product inside to the market, because people, if they are bringing a not healthy product, firstly, the government will not let them in.
in their country.
But if there's a mistake, if there's a misunderstanding, after that, if you are responsible for what you have brought, you were in the sentence. On that day, you were in the sentence.
Wow.
Yes. This should be very strict. Health is not like any other thing.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why we are caring about the health. Before that, there's a God viewing us.
Yeah, that is Allah.
I don't know what's happening in Gambia, but especially I must say that you can earn millions of dollars. But how you are going to explain this to God by killing 66 babies? Unfortunately.
It's painful. We still mold because these are babies that could be or become the future leaders. But unfortunately, they are gone. The government is silent about it. The people are not protesting about it. The people are quiet about it. And nobody there to investigate how it started. And all this syrup came all the way from India. And yet still, our government is silent about it. And we want to know what are the procedures, because it's important. Health is wealth. Health is life. Health is everything. No wonder why people are coming from Gambia, Senegal, or all over the Africa to come to Turkey for treatment. I have seen people from America, Canada, coming to Turkey for treatment. That means they are controlling everything that they are serving. So your service to humanity, it's very important. So on that note, I'm so grateful to have you.
Thank you for
not just having you, but you are amazing. You are a great man.
Thank you.
You gave me hope when I came here. When I was down, you really gave me hope. And inshallah, we have a long way to go. And surely we're going to achieve more of this. I am nobody without God. And we are nobody without each other. So we should support one another when it comes to reality. We should stand for each other when it comes to love. We should abandon hate because it doesn't take us anywhere. We should abandon greediness because once you are greedy, your future is upside down. And who feels it knows it. So thank you so much for your love.
Thank you.
I appreciate everything.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Use your voice to change the world through VM International TV. VM Radio and TV station is a professional and leading online media house. For more information, visit our website at www.vm-international-tv.com. VM, Voice of Media.